Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description. Welcome to our detailed guide on replacing the lower body of your Thermomix TM6. This task may seem challenging, but with the right tools and instructions, you'll be able to handle it efficiently. Let's dive right in. Tools required *. 1. Phillips screwdriver. 2. Flathead screwdriver. 3. Cleaning cloth. 4. Replacement lower body for Thermomix TM6. Step 1. Preparation. Before starting, ensure that your Thermomix is unplugged and free from any food residue. Use a cleaning cloth to wipe down the exterior. If you don't have the tools or feel unsure about this process, remember we offer professional diagnosis without obligation, along with pickup and delivery at your home. Step 2. Removing the base. Using the Phillips screwdriver, locate and remove the screws securing the lower body to the base. There are typically 4 screws, so ensure you keep them in a safe place. As you remove the screws, gently lift the lower body to detach it from the main unit. Be careful not to damage any internal components. Step 3. Inspecting internal components. Once the lower body is removed, take a moment to inspect the internal components for any signs of damage or wear. This is a great time to clean any dust or debris. If you notice anything unusual, feel free to reach out to us for a quote before repair. Step 4. Installing the new lower body. Now, take your replacement lower body and align it carefully with the main unit. Ensure that all clips and connectors are lined up properly. Once aligned, press down gently to secure it in place. Step 5. Securing with screws. Using the Phillips screwdriver again, replace the screws that you removed earlier. Ensure they are tightened securely, but be cautious not to over-tighten as this can cause damage. Step 6. Final checks. With the new lower body in place, double-check all connections and ensure everything is secure. Wipe down the exterior once more with your cleaning cloth. If you encounter any issues or prefer not to handle this yourself, remember we offer no calls, no travel service to make it easier for you. Step 7. Testing your Thermomix. Finally, plug in your Thermomix and power it on. Test all functions to ensure everything is working as expected. If you notice anything amiss, don't hesitate to contact us for professional assistance. By following these steps, you should be able to successfully replace the lower body of your Thermomix TM6. Thank you for watching. Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description.